Otakeri Wameru TV ntuko ya muthia kiumia ethagirwa turi na manto kathomba jegie kuthoja na gutegera weti na mbere matura nejetu na kuruki kuthoja utongeri na mwerekera jo mugongo kagita na kare manto kathomba ja kuonekana jagita na mbere agenda ene Kenya ndene county Meru na ntere mwanya kire county kathomba cia ndegurweji tukategera kinyanga gitia na arua nionekanie gutariria manto jarajetherete ja kiumire kwina umwe wa engineer kana software engineer Ndiangui Urona rikiti kora kwe ntuko 10 ya mwachi kurukete na mbakethirwa ntuko yagoro akionekana ndene ya koti kaire ikurari na manto nare ntereji Homabay mawego kire mathiko kana kagita na karamwiri Jo Albert Ojuang jureketwe ntereji nikenda zogeta na mbere na kuthikwa arena ndiki nyaka ribantereji barachumire gare na muthuro na bona nia gweta na mbere na kuithia gituo kia polisi kia ntereji kikirekana ni gituo kiria Albert aikiriwe kikia mbere nyuma yako gwato na ara ntereji Homabay mbere ya gwikwa Nairobi au niyo mbere gwikwa na mbere ya gwikwa Nairobi nikenda na uretoro Nairobi niyo mbere guta uturo bwawe. Karibu sana mutegeri ikinya kwena mtu ogweto Festas nathiritu akimbira haiboga sana Festas arembira to tetagera mantu zegie mbondi ya MOS. Alright, thank you so much Festas na mantu zange kathomba. Kwa good morning, karibu sana ndani ya mabango joto ringeme onibeta Dennis Butuma Muthomi ndani ya muthojo wa siasa ndani ya mutaramu mantu zegie otaribu mathabu na nkuruki ni mo patron kiri rutarura mbeo mbethe azandene county ya Meru. Bwana Eric, good morning kiongozi.
Good morning, habari ku?
Nde salama buru.
Bwana mwana ko watana na hapo waza wethire. Kiorate mbijimbe to Eric Mutwiri Muriki. Tumubangi maendeleo na kichungu economist. Kamuna monongi tangu ena ntupa bethe the patron of Meru Youth Council na bitetengo yena ntupa bethe ke kundi mwanya monoja sana culture. Yes.
Karibu sana na au uga mantu zegi nwitaniritie na ngogena mbeu mbithi for a long time now. Kirenga theti kinyayu ugwetaka gitena gakabana Eric ugatagera mbicha ya mbere ni a very young person orea kuerikana ne kara yako akodisapia na nyemene achokera ntuko yagoro ndene akoti pengine on your thoughts, do you think ugategera kinyaro gona ro mwandiki wangathiti ari uga akwena probability oinya ya mbere no ithirwe this software engineer kama tukire atakagota DCI ya ijire bauga no ithirwe abrocate a deal ni baraba mugwete ithatu yethirwa still no ithirwe no ewe ngo enda gwichitha matatu zau. So what do you think about this thing ya we blogger?
Rande eje catch one ngana to ata always fooling na aja tumete ndegoro neto Kenya itumete anto bako disappear na twinde twena wati nto mtu wake orawe na descending voice na thirikari no chetera atroga heads indi ginto kambere otomba wichithira thirikari ko analogy kwethera Ndiangui kare chithirite thirikari ntomiona nonto imbi ifiere kwa renyo nonto twinde kuna likelihood mtu anda kuwata na ora kuretera ora mantu jetinderete kuthoja kara ito tona abductions nyingi mono in the recent past. Kenya Ojuang wana bango share the same cover page ka pick it up na ja dero orai ke police station ora mantu jomire te kwetho chakari na taga othio Ndiangui ni othio wa mtu very frightened na case hizi ijiro cheke front headline at the Standard ichi ku reflect omwe katyo onge kareo indi imantu ya change it imantu ya change it on to after Ojuang ako chedra in cold murder the kuronde ne great uprising na edro akiwa ma up to 25th July. Na Kenya level, Kenya DIG, Deputy Inspector of Police, Inspector General of Police, kuchia Gitene, Mwankijo Monene, Jombete kuma na ndamu ya Ojwang. Na Ndiangui yako picked up, ne raise the same magnitude, mbio, as Ojwang. Na Monka, DCI boss, Mohamed Noor, and he caught, but produce Ndiangui I dead or alive. Na Kenya yonde tegete. And they oniranko honoring I deal kati pressure police DCI trikari kwa lazima mtuonekane. Na kwa hiyo batona kinontote na booked in a police station. Na mtoto na room for speculation na kugerea kuchure puria. I think ka produce and they are producer in a way kwenye natidiri kari rari no.
At some point you kuona ta kama tunaweza abduction banere kizamba kwa ta Kinyamuthia. Do you think?
Jaga Kinyamuthia na jarao Kinyamuthia wakatha kuna casualties. To ora kuthogania through abducting people aka silence the resolve of the Kenyan people. Ikanya kwenyangia. Na ala kondorua imukondo jumu. To wataka cover hizi na report rato one kuma Homa Bay. Anto nontopa Muthuro range. Anto nontopa kwithra bana ororo mono na police service nonto mono wao teka kwita natural death teka gira accident. Kaurai na ajukirwe kwa police station. Ajukwe kwa police station ingi na report ya police barato etekane tibaba gatukaria okay wabagita report chia orongo mwe karitwa bakaona iwe threat bwaga nonto eko watekana na orongo baka itengi na kona ntwa barumira pongwa nonto poruru batetongeretwe muntu na beta baede police station akaire kimeke kiathira to kugwa morukome na kiuga bara bakwire police station borawe kira thirikari kuma ke Minister of Interior pakalan anto baraithia mantu ja jonto nonto bena ororobone ne sana na kira ga change ya anto batige kweta kuithia infrastructure ja hizi ti bunduki ti anga bakajo ke kamera bone no oratongereti bamo arrest kana bamo abduct iko thikira na bedre thirikari iko reason it na the people nonto irekanaga is a government by the people for the people na being of the people and the government this is a science cha government losing legitimacy. It is self instigated. Thirikari yongwa igitonga area kenda antu baithara bate ita self sabotage wengwa guchira tha kuguru ko thirikari na relax a democratic space antu baina kanya ku express baraba kenda na baitha batu kwendari no resign
woga antu baina kanya ku express maandamano jatane ki 25 bana ereka na itonere nya ogwe no area pamo omo baraba hariri nyeke nyomba tia nteto akakitane kama maandamano jau but nga focus nyakere county Meru maandamano za Meru ija retere a lot of issues na tona nduka ikiwa tona a lot of waribifu kwena nduka nyene na monombo gutana mbere kuiwa into bibi ingene sare inge chomba kwa chigikwa pengine what do you think happened that day because no ari omoe wa the young people baraba bandamene kirika Meru county what happened in this thing nonto egoro nga kendo choki kiwinya the county commissioner wa Meru bwana Uma mona deputy governor ibara riri manto data maandamano yesterday na boga baromba the young people kana ba meneria sana makarika za udhuku burabu Meru that day what do you think happened
anto ban expression ban freedom of expression tariki 25 itaumire na mbere nya 25 ndarewa na to appeal ke anto bonde bomere by peaceful itaumire ugataka report ira chariki nteto chariki nteto habari kana kiri mainstream media jumene na Meru icho nyandire twe macha nya peacefully tutongetwe ni OCPD atware o na nyaku no gataka report imwe icho nyanagia barabagere ya kuia mathaja rukirira twambite maandamano kwi mtogeria kuira onge thimu au marigiti na rafero up na thimu ejo kwa hospital atra tutikana no ntu ya justice happen leo
okay
na twatinda ntu twambirie maandamano joja mbogutano na tuwe na mabwega na messaging yetu na placards yetu na rando umirereke maandamano ntu itwabangite gwikia petition yetu na twabangite ki county commissioner itwagire report onini ngwanda aero report ate mubunge waja wa Northment ogwetwa Raim Daud kwa antu ba mobilize ite kenda beja kwangira tena maandamano yetu na ere around 1 to 2 unda umanda da brake maandamano andera bara tware abo bedre very careful indi by the time to get report yetu kitia kare gochoka mugutano twethire antu bamwe baithite tairi na bathithite mantu tutathithite no ntinya twitwa kanya kakwaithia tairi
so that orendo kwa that was a different group.
It's a different group yejire joinere maandamano in the course of the day na mimbugite kinya ke social media that the ndi tukinyete level na tininka countrywide itwanete report na chie confirmed kinyi bamwe bara ba participate that bathithagia maandamano ja rogue kenda andamanaji ba termed ibo bathire mantseriku kenda next time nto jangi jethigeri sabasaba kenda jakarika tukiambia oreo mbugenya to ibarua igikwa ekoromba kanya kama andamano ja sabasaba ere kana etete kanyo no ntuma andamano jo jethra jaja winyangia na jaku na jakoreta gachakacha na kairi taira ndinko nya ku challenge baraba kuiba ku investigate kethra bate partisan baraba kendo angicha thirikari ojaba tukona iborere ojwa ojaba tukona thaitu tishua kethra ndiangui kajukirwe kana karaichithite kana mbi iketha bana kauma na ibaishi what happened ke maandamano ya Meru na ntukomba gwethorande tuto ba trust partisan baranko ndenya bangi ba more vigilant ni insurance companies.
Alright.
Insurance company nturai mageta ku claim insurance ntuba property wewe ekwere purportedly ne ora maiga ne antuba maandamano ntu rai agacho antuba ora ringe buildings chiawe with the more percentage property in terms of property ngana ntu inkona okataka property chara imijiri cha target we could border on insurance fraud.
You want to mean imo jumbo kwa daro akibangania this?
Wenkwa da inde convinced.
Alright.
Na kinyatha haikwe mtobrare no na naonye nenya list target akietha gya kwibange bakubanga tariki 7 tinara go karingwa wewe nyama na komea thai na kwari akiuga nara go karingwa ati no antu baba kare na bomo chamani so we get to the root police bara moko find out baraba raga insurance no tikoda kwena insurance investigators iba find out nonto mubunge ojo naramenyerande ikaringwa maiga ekarewa insurance ande wengo akacho antu bawe batonya maandamano ne property ni nyinge muno nike igo target wake this time nyote mturandamana against right
Okay.
Imbito ko muchwera batu we still issue Raim iratu ni is a SMP na oja SMP wonde karamu mwicho indebe toka mwinga na ndebe kote mtu ina haja na property anyone na only as a candidate here and as a leader here in North Imenti ndenda mantu ya jamenyekana kauma mtu atigoteka advantage no twa nkongo tukugarande it should be a subject for fair investigation na kino ndonguga it is bordering on insurance fraud right mantu ya maandamano we did not talk anywhere
kuna something more
na to bombere tokiara ya mantu ya Kyoto kia the people who the 60 baraba akwire tariki 25 of June 2024 kitoga tirikari ne either compensate tirikari ne offer justice tutomba kwithora tokaigwa mantoja yake BBC na mbina government has done nothing na that quest is not gone we still demand justice na end police brutality na tokio na headlines hizi ikonyenia tutea kinyo bado eko tena ore mantoja wenyangia i agenda mtungi na itioto kwenda investigate.
Right, thank you so much. Lucy Kadhonkomi aliwa watching live from 4K Hotel in Gakoromone, tunaangalia, asante sana. Right, akambera, good morning Dennis, I do not support maandamano. I believe we can have an amicable way to solve this situation. The youth should take their IDs and wait for the general elections.
Very good. We support maandamano, but we support abductions. Manya injira iri kutuhatumira ikethero gutayana maandamano. Justice ironekana kiojo. We support maandamano if government is a responsible government. Anto bayataga to the street to protest ikethero systems ingicho on the chitera work. I personally believe in the rule of law. I personally demwetikia o sheria yete na mukondo jwayo. Indiria sheria yete gwethe na mukondo jwayo irio tuma toka protest. Maandamano i protest. Ikuga o akarau na jateka rikaura jagire ke sheria. Nto jajo ndo jatomete anto maandamana imantu jadiditwe kinyume na sheria.
Is it okay the young people kuendekithia gutonya State House? Kinene mutono ntu when people are frustrated ntu utonya State House iratu kuga ni end twagete bunge kabisa ntu kwena kathi nyinge muno cha uteti kwena oto kugete batu twikete petition ki county commissioner na to are disrupted. So it starts from there.
It was disrupted. Kuikia petition. Nya last year it was a petition na togeta nya ya tugato tete ofisi cha mbunge. Twetete komwera ete ugeno na mabanga na sauti na barega. Mwichone jonde jato kuona turiko kwinoja kuma command kuma. Neruma in the house in the hill. So until Kuga Ibete State House, they are still presenting petitions. The nereo ni ramifications ira mantu jomba koreta. But ramifications hiyo ijaora anto bongo bomba kukarekete onge kedro thikari is not responsible. Na tugre as a government by the people for the people of the people. Anto batiku are very represented. Nobody demanding a resignation of a president. It is not the first time it's happening. It's happened in very many economies. There can be a change by any circumstance. The only way itirikari itongere to kuma kiongo ntu kinyaki amiro boga samaki yambagia kwora kuma kiongo. Kiongo kia utongeria na witi nambere Kenya umete ke president. na the ultimate responsibility eko call government bakaria mantu ja kuweta against maandamano babati kwaria kuria what is the root cause of maandamano na arms chonde cha serikali cha kwamba ku ensure everything is working as should be kenda ketha kuna elements inkairi kwenda kureta Kenya nthi ira tutu support chombe kwithirwa chongwa chike ajaga dealt with kisheria mtu Kenya in a legal system in a police system irayomba ku apprehend mtu ria ukuithia makosa ende tie time kumora utino sheria yete askari engwate ina enjokia and present in a court of law within 24 hours na either ina case ika ke prosecutor na sheria cha Kenya mbamba kwa hai prosecuted na tutakwenda muno ntukira antumtuke mbere uchwa hiyo is a country that works for them tubabethe barechwa ndiguru in economy ina umithio thirikari economy ikomba kuba nafasi changu if those things were working antu were very busy in the productive sectors in the economy bagitangugi bagichwa gaira na bagita lambe.
All right. Eric kuna mtokori aja ariuga come on Eric stop blaming Rahim if you are elected MP North Imenti you could still support the president at hand so that your people can get development. Ariuga ni Josh upcoming MCA Ntima West.
And the development reko tuonete kumage support Rahim kire president William Ruto. Ntena mbako comment ki bo nontore dauga kira tukwenda maendeleo tukona na maendeleo demo banki maendeleo mbukete ja maingi tirikare ke baki ere na budget 1 trillion era grow kuma 200 to 300 billion na niombere kwa barabara town Meru town only I'm born and raised in Meru town Meru town was all potholes na nyan jere moja kirokuri tare na rami but na budget ya 1 trillion ke David Mwiraria ba MP ibombere ko make sure the entire town is carpeted mugutano aja to ma mugutano ukinyara Kenya Power na more than 10 minutes
no ikuitika gita kauna kaka
to bago ikuitira ndire ntokwerwa ri SMP ungwerwanga ngakarajore ntekaraja Rahim te support for no reason lazima tuwe kwa na tangible development barabara hizo taskis kuijaja no kuna dhaira mbere wakwa no financial year era kwa kuthira kenda bomba kwa ritambecha ki exchequer ndi barabara ere i cash cow Uteman ikedra maendeleo ri maendeleo jari Rahim mendo tejo kira Rahim amenyereti handout
how do you
handout kuna karantu baba ngide Rahim kenda ba baringa kura mbonya clip nyemwe nonto bweke ke medias mbonya kinya clip nyemwe Rahim ena Muchema najua kisiasa akiara ile sera cha I competed with Rahim aroka ka 5-4 akabangithia antu Rahim arungi wengo arungi getine.
Are you sure about this?
Ambonywe Muchema no jabangia na siasa bangira betaga Muchema nio akethra is a political Muchema nio ajete kuira antu ideology we kinyo una mbere ideology Rahim Uni ideology kwa ito homegrown development ideology. Alright. Ekuga tingo toka choka mukaro tokorie North Imenti. To activate economic sectors cha North Imenti. Kena toba North Imenti bedere bako area bao kama baikia dairy kenda badura mutongire ro karage mantuja BM area. Tori uke coffee sector North Imenti is been known for coffee sector. Rato ena Makiu na Meru Central Farmer Cooperatives rato era yambitu yaja Northiment na enterprise na cooperative nature yantu ba Northiment na kuire Kabera Ntombijo began irrigation schemes in Metungu. Iratha hito Metungu in the Royal Haven of banana production. Imbonywe, Kripinyemwe, Rahim Daud, arongia kiara izaga sere wa imbio. Arako na Rahim Daud imadhiko. Icho forums cha Rahim. Na if you see any forum, kanara anderea president ejete, kana mtunge ejete kuriunga Northiment, ile randeta ne katite machemuno jawa nka jabangi. No to utekana keka kuka.
What if injire wewe kutongeri?
Matunda ijako. Northiment is not the poorest constituency. Now I can do that demonstration. Ndemo bangi maendeleo. Onda umbera ngugende economist county. No ntonda riungere the economist that you know constituencies. They are realize it's only Northiment. Etena any economic activity tomagu anto baito ne badidaki. Weta Southiment borogoro kedera pena majani. Na akuruba Southiment ni tonga na majani. Akurubara batiri akuruba ba ugambi bwa kiu. Batuere ko gambua ke siasa ne antu banda utinde bateba yajaga baringera kura mtura baije okari mantu ja majani ora majani bonaze gaitia price package gaitia nakwana ko inya president etan Southiment abunge ba Northiment ba Southiment bata bakara ya majani bakara bakara ya area miru centro area aja Northiment 99% area reriuma Southiment na Centroiment. Tuna kakoromone Northiment. Intobira bikwendwa kakoromone biriuma kadera bikoma Centroiment. Na rokere omba gochemania na okela utitenga rumete bona ari omba ko nya accident obachema na ntiki chenekete ikwachi. Weta bore ituije bore weta timao kuna French beans kuna kano yani no tege consistency no kwana what activity people are doing.
Yes.
Weta igembe the same and injo Northiment no ndombetaka mechemane Northiment ngakaraja ka uthene unkaborera ndire ngetha mbumeta mawa kambira ngakwera mbijete studio mbumeta mawa kambira nkoje na gitundu kamera ndakurande ikenoro wambera ngoja naye majani na majani ndakurande aja nari wambera ngoja naye ngwaji anda kurande kauthene wambera ngoja naye and you know nature when people don't have an economic activity those people are typically poor.
Okay, my question is what do you think no economic activity umba kutorero Northiment
activity Northiment cut out aja nio muteti orawe Northiment orawe MP Northiment uteti bwa bwambere ubati kwa bwa kawa nonto kuma mero yambia kawa kedha umete Northiment ni baba kaimono Northiment ukaoria bangina na babami bale famidro nayo twathomithia kwa mbeche cha kawa ukona na sekta yu ne bati kwethwa keja gorito zaidi ikurukie u we mutongeria ukomba gweta parliament na kuona mbere ikethwa sekta zichi ku fail ito bati kweja tukalitana ntobato through government systems manto jako gwata kintu kimwe na thirikari ga support through kuthithia barabara kwikira irrigation cheruji kuthithia mbi anto baka gwata kintu kimwe ukona ugeta nonto ugeta mundene jo mto Northiment taijo na into beyond and you know characteristics okay na neo raima ko capitalize keo na tena intention whatsoever egwitanto baito kire irinya riu nonto ageta mukuru agure mukuru wina njewe na 500 kintu gitikarika anywhere else in Meru akuru elsewhere
okay
bakaragande bakachuria kithira i mawa bakatura mtura kwa re mantu jamera bateta kuthura mtura baere 500 ikino ntungukwera atire kote strategy ngeno rai maeneo tiga kuija mathiko kenda capitalize kirerea boy at your lowest kana siasa ewe kambonye platform ewe aja no diment ire 2022 akiramba kura etere anto abaera sera na anto muringa no tubasera na okona clips nya irio ni akeja na mbecha arungi nyateja atongi wa mbecha nenkanira no ngorunga maga mwiregene noe mtu ndiye against na noe ka compete noe 2027.
Alright. Anabera, good morning Dennis, mkifikiria kutoa mjumbe wa North Imenti pia huku South Imenti tunataka kutoa Shandrak, hakuna kazi ametufanyia na tulikuwa na uwezo mkubwa kwake tukimchagua. Hashtag Kabaka Zara. Thank you so much. Utaniambia jina yako. Good morning Dennis, salimia sana Eric. We like such words from young leaders and we believe that tutasonga mbele. North Imenti tunahitaji kiongozi ambaye haangalii upande mmoja ama mwingine. Our current MP has focused only in the town na amesahau mashinani. Right. And
that is a very valid point. Enda nkwendenya mwera kutina ora ima focus it. Kinya town. Town raima taka masquerade. Kinya town yu anto bodo khane paega itina ara ina raima dithagiari. Kote maendeleo ja raim town ye mutindwa. Okataka na kunde kona kabro yu chididi tu Kenya Urban Roads Authority.
You and which is it?
National government. Kerato kwenda kuona ngoya raim ngoya CDF. Ndo CDF inapata Kenya na transformation. Raim agatera barabara jengi naona ta post iteke gorwa. Strategy Kenya Urban Roads Authority. Office ire merwa yogere every year ikaethora ki tamakaga not less than 500 meters of road. Na barabara mbere era bambirie nione umete Kitweki bambirie bamekinya mbere haja MCK. The next year bamita MCK bamikia Rubis. Leo renge ikwambia kuya nyomera bamilika petkairi. Leo renge bambia kairi kuma aja Kenoru dispensary baitena monka Samoya Baptist. Na ndi barejera bamithirikiria. Andi raima ita posta ugeno wako thithia. Mto North Imenti nyowe mashinani ukathugane kwe ngugira raima guthithia mutindo. Raim kira gwithe matindwa I masquerading. Decisions you chithithitwe independently. Na ndewe nonto no mubunge aketho ari o ikithithua ende akeja ka claim noe. Kutengu gen raim North Imenti. Na gutekiriko aeta mnekere ateta gantu community ongo mweringo ibarabara iriko bakwenda ithithua tona no thithiti aretera chika identify wa agency ingi kathithua and akaronga ma nonto by default no mbunge North Imenti aka post antu bakavana no thithiti.
Rimbera Meru TV, Dennis, good morning. Adugani Kinywaka reporter all the way from Bore. Wise words tunaweza pata aje namba ya huyo kiongozi. All right.
Thank you. Ke social media.
Yes, no, ke social media.
Facebook meta Honorable Mutwiri Mwirigi.
Honorable Mutwiri Mwirigi.
Na to ni nau gato na njira chana hau.
Atuma message kinywa okethira ukiomba kwaraniria na Eric pengine uthiro kiugaga what is happening na urutere rwa Bori no ntobo mathaje tu Eric nditarirwa kuna mantu tangi tete na few pengine ugeba kubo muthia kana your parting shots kuinga this week niliko
parting shots ni ati tuko na mantu ya mengi muno in the recent past. Kenya ni chiaro kairi coming to birth. Na young people iba take it up their role
Yes.
Igitarea independence is the young people. Ba Mwariama, aja Meru, ba Imunge, lakini Dedan Kimathi. They were young people. Bara bonere bateke karirwa kana bara bito uongozi wa kimla. Na ba umara na batonya mwitone. Na effort chao bama bateo nonto Dedan Kimathi atareo at independence. Na imbenda antu kubarikania mono idena Mwariama.
Okay.
Musa Mwariama umete mikinduri aja oere Kenya independence. Nonto noe otekere over the rims Mau rea Dedan Kimathi disappear kana orawa. That was the first liberation by the young people. Otaga the young people took over again after toko ya thirikari yetu eko chiathi. Nanti bora irwa bakamenya after independence, immediately after independence. By Munge ora field marshal.
Yes.
Ai muito Nigeria direnya ai kurobawi betere. Ai dira tumi benyo na bagua Kenya Nigeria independence. Na by Munge na did a very bold move at that point at 1960s. Au apapot kuchokia Mau kaire mwitone. And at this time Kenyatta was president. Na Kenyatta no warere by Munge. Na oteke okona the first betrayal. Ere betrayal by Munge. But young people after independence ipa na benefit of doubt na thirikari yetu ira twachichwirire. Na ba support thirikari wende thirikari yeta against them. Monkato akinya a level of the second liberation in 1992. Na ira commemorate kaire on 7th Sabasaba. Onto Sabasaba, another set of young people were made as a symbol of rebellion against autocracy, dictatorship, by a one-party rule. Na Sabasaba nio etogenere multi-party democracy. Na daiji rebellion ira toko chwera. Dai to in a political freedom of expression. Oteda ai utemtomba kwa papota ai na umete city na koroira freedom of speech, freedom of expression. Those are wins to ina chota we have pocketed. We ni rato tigineo era liberation era this young movement of young people ikoroira na twari kia kushinda eji together tutetembere it's the economic liberation. Ndo aidha hizi antu bakanga tana baba kugera gochwa na antu kubakiria. People are not fighting for political freedoms. Which are winner in 1992 when we got multi-party democracy. What we are asking, we want a government that works for its people. A government, when it collects taxes, apply taxes to productive sectors. Kenda antobabe thibona ngugi. Na this economy work for us. Iteketherwe thirikari ritujukia na young people ko baikia Saudi Arabia, Qatar, ati Uganda ndike kuthite labor export.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Eric. Iboga sana no ntobora rero a very beautiful parting shot. Ya kwethera tukirikia niho kiumia na igwitikia mutegeri tugaga twakuretera mutongeria uthikire. Ugwo chiojuriri from there. Every time tugakuretera athoji na ataramu baraba kuona mantu na ritho ringi nikenda ugo komba kuthirwa ukithinga taira na kuona enyewe as a country are we going on the right side na nike kiuria kireo kagitana gaka woni kethira nkio magarira ka rau nikenda ageni baraba kethira baregere gipindi kiu kingi bakomba kuthirwa bagitonya ndene studio muicho jawa mubango zato turinge membe ta Dennis Mutumango kale na bana Eric kuma gishuka mbuge keno thimenti muthoji wa siasa mutari yo mathabu mutongere ombe ombethekere county miro ithiro urena kagita kega